Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Benjamin and you are watching Sartorial Styles. Today, a little bit unpolished, a little bit unscripted, a video out of order where we talk about men's bracelets, men's stone bracelets, and in particular about Azuro Republic. I ordered a bracelet from their online shop and it arrived today. You can see it right here. And yeah, I loved how it looked on their web shop and I'm quite excited how it turned out. Let's go. Okay, before we actually unbox it, we have to talk about the figures a little bit. So this bracelet was $149, which translated to about 130 euros. Why 130? Because they only accept payments via PayPal and the exchange currency rates from PayPal aren't the best. So I would like to have the option to pay directly via my credit card and without PayPal to have a better exchange rate, but that's just a side note. What I didn't know, because I didn't read the FAQ carefully enough, you have to pay all the duties and taxes. They pay the shipping for you. Shipping is always free via DHL Express or FedEx, I believe. But in my case, I had to pay 35 euros and 9 cents of additional duties and taxes. I was able to pay it directly to DHL Express. They have some kind of online form and I had to put my credit card details in there so that they were able to pay the duties for me. And yeah, that kind of adds to the price. It makes the bracelet even more expensive. I know there are bracelets that are way more expensive than this one, but for me it's quite a lot of money for a small accessory. But after talking so much about prices and duties, let's actually unbox this bracelet because I'm quite excited how it will fit me, because I have very small wrists and most of the watches and bracelets and all these things do not really fit me properly, but they have the option to put your wrist measurements into their system and then they will tailor the bracelet custom for you. So let's see how it turned out. Okay, here we are. So the packaging is quite okay, I would say. It's, after all, only a bracelet and it's not very big, the packaging and that stuff, so like a huge box would be quite an overkill. So this is paper and inside of it, I hope this is visible on the second camera somehow, I don't know. And
2 hours later.
Okay, inside this paper we have this small box. It feels very, very well, very high quality, I would say. This could actually be leather. I'm not sure. I could try to burn it, but that would probably damage it after all. Okay, so what do we have here? We have a small card. Then we have a sticker. Then we have this thing. I have no idea what the English word is, to be honest, but I think you can. So something to clean the bracelet. I have no clue what the word is, but you probably know what I mean. Okay, and then we have the bracelet itself. So this is how it looks. This is the silver classic chrysanthemum bracelet. I like these stones because they have kind of a beige, off-white, sometimes even orangey color. And I thought that would be a great match for like a cool linen suit, something summery. And I went for the silver add-ons here instead of the gold ones. A, because it was cheaper, and B, because I don't have any gold accessories and it would probably clash with anything that I have in my wardrobe, so I went for the silver ones. Okay, so let's put this on. Okay, it actually fits. It actually fits. It's not like extremely tight, but it doesn't sit like over here or something. So yeah, that's good to see actually, that these measurements do have some kind of effect. I really like it. The packaging is great. The shipping was extremely fast. It was shipped from Taiwan to Germany in a matter of 3 days. I didn't know that I had to pay the taxes and duties myself, but it was on their website. They did say that you have to pay this on your own, but I just didn't read the FAQs carefully enough. That's it. I hope you liked the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Consider to subscribe to this channel and also check out my Instagram account. It's @sartorialstylescom. Please let me know in the comments if you like this more relaxed kind of video that is not as polished and not scripted and all that stuff. I don't know, there are 2 videos. I'm not sure which ones, but I will put 2 videos from my channel up there in the corners, and yeah, down there probably you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, have a nice time, and see you next week.